let me show you how to play the music kit. First, the speaker, and then the battery. Let's check. Turn on the power. As you can see, the 4 red lights are all on, so the connection is fine. How to play? First, turn up the speaker. Here got a switch. Yeah. And remember, there's another switch on the blue block, and just the logic block. Turn up the little switch to MIDI mode. Let's try it. Okay, it's fine. Here's got a red area, as you can see. They got 4 switches. Turn up the switch or turn down the switch, we can change the sound effect. Okay, I have already switched them, so let's check what is the change. Okay, try another one. And next, here we got applicator clips. We use the applicator clips to connect our touch board with conductors. And here we prepared a clay. It is conductor. Let me show you how to connect. And the other side, connect with the conductor. And here is the clay. And next, let's turn on the power. Because the clay is conductor, so once I touch the clay, the sound comes out. It's cool, right?